Alrighty, YouTubers, here we go again. We have another special Gold Belly unboxing to do today. You guys can check them out. Link is going to be down below. And yes, here we go. Gonna take a look at what's inside. Hopefully everyone had a good day so far. Everybody is safe. There we go. Another one there. Another one there. This has dry ice, so be careful handling the dry ice. And if you guys want $15 off your Gold Belly order, all you gotta do is click the link down below and you'll get $15. Here we go. Whoa. Yeah, it's something different. I like this. I can get it out. Dang. Baby. Holy moly. I'm going to do this one right here. So I think I got two separate companies that are just starting off. So I'll leave the link down below for that. Here's one of them. He's like deep dish. I'm going to take it out of the bag and then throw it in the oven. Be right back. Dump them out of the bag. Look at that. I'm ready to put it in the oven in a few minutes. And got that one right there. Alright guys, we'll be in the oven. Alrighty guys, here we go. Look at that cheese oozing out. Amazing stuff right here, guys. About to do a little taste. I'm going to grab my plate. One on one. Alrighty, YouTubers, here it is. Out of the oven. It is super stuff, guys. Amazing stuff right here. Alright, ate one slice and about to have another. Definitely check them out, guys. I think this is Sam's cold fried, I do believe. If not, it's I'll leave the correction in the title if I'm wrong. So, but definitely check them out. Amazing stuff. Get this delivered to your doorstep right now. Be safe. Have a good one, and check them out. See ya.